he also dabbles in French cuisine. He's also very fluent in French. Well, tell me about your French cooking.
So my French cooking is something very unusual because I don't have like a lot of experience in French cuisine, but somehow there is a French guy who went to my house, who lived with me like for like almost a year, and sometimes he just want to have like a very French dish. So we go into the supermarket with each other, and then after that I went to look some of the recipe online, and we just talk about it, and then we just made it the way that he wants. And that is how I learned how to cook
In the French way.
and in the French way.
The French way.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then after that, it kept going on. French is having like the most fundamental cuisine in the world. Everyone have to base on it. So, it's good to know something about French cuisine.
Amazing, just incredible. He is an amazing man. We could speak with him forever, and we will in future episodes. That's the way it is in Hanoi, Vietnam.